Let's look at electrician salary in Poland. The average salary of electrician in Poland is 23,400 US dollars a year. That is the average annual gross salary before tax. But after tax, you bring home $18,700. This means your monthly average electrician pay leaves you with roughly $1,558 in take-home pay. While average electrician wages in smaller towns are lower, working in Warsaw brings home $21,900 after tax, though higher local expenses often balance out that gain. That is why your starting electrician income starts below the national average, but it goes up quickly as you gain experience. Without a shift into supervision, however, your earnings usually hit a ceiling. Having a university degree helps you break through that limit, even if local trade rules do not strictly require one. On top of that, a formal education opens doors to higher-paying roles like electrical engineer or project manager. The same is true if you build specialized skills in industrial automation or high-voltage systems, which helps you command even higher pay. If you want to know how much does an electrician make in Poland, focusing on these advanced skills is the best way to boost your earnings.